Guys, for today's video, ang pag-usapan natin ay an update about Tonic Quick Loan. Ayan, Tonic Quick Loan. And bakit? Kasi yung last na review natin about Tonic is ano pa siya, as in okay pa siya in terms of the amount and yung mga requirements. So now, nagbago na daw siya. Anong pagbabago? Okay ba? O parang wag na lang? Well, samahan niyo ang pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron akong experience. At ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so okay yung yung review natin with Tonic Quick Loan. Previously, makaka-loan ka kay Tonic ng up to 50,000 pesos. And ano lang, with just an account with Tonic and a valid ID, makakahiram ka kay Tonic. And kaya nga siya quick loan talagang mabilis mo rin talaga siya makukuha. And then, eventually, nag-merge si Quick Loan and Flex Loan. Pero hindi na natin nagawa ng review yun. But now, may panibagong update si Quick Loan. First, tingnan muna natin yung updated na ads or information na ina-advertise ni Tonic Bank regarding Quick Loan sa kanyang website. So, punta tayo sa kanyang website, tonicbank.com. Ito, Quick Loan. So, ayan yung sinasabi niya, Tonic Quick Loan, fall in love with achieving your goals with us. Ito daw yung features ng Tonic Quick Loan. So, choose from flexible payment terms up to 12 months. So, hanggang 12 months daw yung loan tenure. And then, loan up to 20,000 pesos. Ayan. And then, as low as 4.24% monthly add-on interest rate. Okay, so loan up to 20,000 pesos na lang instead of 50,000 pesos. So, bakit? Bakit biglang bumaba naging 20,000 na lang? And then, ito yung monthly interest niya na 4.24%. Which is, malaki ba yan o hindi? Well, calculate natin yan later on. So, ito daw. You can start small and then later on, you can unlock higher loan amounts. No hidden bank fees. Hindi naman siya magiging hidden bank fees kung syempre, di-display nila yan lahat. Malamang. Safe and secure, compliant with data privacy and BSP regulation. Parang, dapat naman talaga, di ba? Compliant sila with BSP. Ito daw yung how to get a quick loan from Tonic Bank. Run through na lang natin yan. Download the Tonic app, upload the requirements, accept the offer, and then wait for loan disbursement. Eligibility, minimum daw ng 23 years old to 58 years old. Syempre, Filipino nationality, Filipino resident with a valid ID, Tonic savings account, and then meron daw minimal requirements, and then meron ka ring TIN number. So, ano ba yung minimal na requirements daw? Well, napaka-minimal naman kasi ang kailangan mo lang is one valid ID para makapag-apply ng quick loan. And syempre, meron ka ng Tonic savings account. Ayan. So, ito. You can apply for as much as 20,000 pesos and up to 12 months period. Another feature ni Tonic Quick Loan is meron siyang tinatawag na Pay Hinga. So, ano ba itong Pay Hinga na to? So, ayan. Sabi dito, get more from your quick loan with our new service. Tonic Pay Hinga. Up to 2 months payment holiday plus add-on loan protection for quick loans and shop installment loan. Eligibility daw, kailangan ka syempre in good health, 18 to 65 years old, meaning meet the minimum loan amount and fill out the registration form. However, I need to highlight na merong additional fee kapag nag-opt-in ka kay Pay Hinga. Ito daw yung kailangan mong bayaran. So, you need to pay an extra fee equal to 6% of your quick loan. So, plus additional 6% daw para lang sa 2 months na payment holiday kung mag-a-avail ka. Ayan. So, yun nga, binabaan na siya from 50,000, 20,000 na lang, which is parang lumiit. Well, hindi natin alam kung bakit, pero kung pinaliit nila yan para makapag-mas cater ng ibang tao, well and good. Pero kung binabaan nila yan kasi wala na silang pondo, well, parang nakakalungkot yun. Okay, so ito, try natin yung 20,000 pesos, i-max natin to. And then, payment terms of 12 months, ayan, lumalabas na 2,518.04 yung monthly installment. Kakalculate natin yan, 2,518.04 times 12 months, ang total repayment natin ay 30,216.48. Minus natin yung principal amount na 20,000, ang interest natin ay 10,216.48. So, that's more than half. So, divide natin by 20,000, yung principal amount, ayan. lumalabas na 51% ang interest rate natin for 1 year. Which is, for a bank, napakalaki na ito. I-divide natin yan by 12 para makita nyo yung monthly add-on interest rate. Ayan, lumalabas na 4.25% or 4.26% ang monthly add-on interest rate. Kung dito siya sa mga banks na nagbibigay ng mga personal loan, well, nandito siya sa pinakahuli, di ba? Kasi yung mga traditional banks, napakababa ng APR, di ba? 10, 14, yung CIMB 14.52, BDO 15%, Metrobank, and then yung credit card ay 36% per annum. Tapos ito, naturingang bank, mag-o-offer ng 51%. Kung i-compare naman natin to sa lahat ng mga na-review na natin, papasok siya dito sa second group natin, which is yung G-Loan, G-Games, LastPay, Pure Gold. Ayan. So, after Pure Gold, dito natin siya ilalagay sa 51%. So, now na nakita na natin yung comparison ng Tonic Quick Loan with the rest ng banks and mga financial institution na na-review na natin, ano ba masasabi ko? Masasabi ko na medyo mataas na ang interest niya for a bank. Kung magbabank ka na rin lang, edi choose the best bank na nag-offer ng mababang interest, which is yan, sa HSBC. Though yes, in terms of requirements naman, mas simple ang requirements kay Tonic Bank. Pero kasi, kung mapapansin mo, meron naman ding mga banks na nag-o-offer din ng personal loan na one ID required lang. Pero guys, I have to highlight this to everyone. Kahit na sinasabi ng mga banks na yan na one ID required lang, kala mo mataas na yung chance na ma-approve ka, well, it turns out na hindi rin naman. Kasi, yung information yun sa ID mo, i-cross-check yan sa credit report mo or credit score. And pag nakita na medyo mababa ang credit score mo, well, auto-decline. Yan. So, ganun yan. Kahit sabihin natin, one ID lang yan, mataas ang chance na auto-decline dahil sa mababang credit score. Pero kung mataas ang credit score mo, well and good. Okay? So, yan. For our question of the day. Ano masasabi nyo na isang legit na bank supervised by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas ay nag-o-offer ng mataas na interest sa kanyang loan? Let me know sa comment section sa baba para may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And also, huwag nyo kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag #GoTo75k sub and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel para sa chance nyo manalo ng cellphone once we reach the 75k milestone, which is happening soon. Okay? So, yun lamang po for today's video, but before I end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay Mar Garcia 7704. Sabi niya, maraming salamat sir, nang dahil sa'yo, alam ko na kung saan ako magbabayad. Yeah. At Mar Garcia 7704, maraming salamat din po sa panonood at masaya po ako na nakatulong ang mga videos ko sa inyo. Thank you for watching. So yun lamang po for today's video. I hope you can like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!